Okay, so in this training period, I'm going to show you how to do an LPA audit. So supervisor would click on the LPA audit. As you can see, there's many audits to do. We're going to do the PPE checklist. So I'm going to add a checklist. I'm going to select the process, which is Acura TZ3. And as you can see, here are the questions. There's only 4 of them. So I'm going to click good here. Arm guards, I'm going to click bad. I'm going to say team member not wearing arm guards. And then in the corrective action, spoke to team member. I'm just putting this in just to show you how it would work. Then after I do that, I would click good. And I'm going to show you why we do this. And then I'm also going to click this one is good. And I'm going to click this one is bad. And I'm going to click team member not following procedures, just to explain this to you quickly. And then after this is all done, I'm going to click on complete it. Okay. Now the team member supervisor has to be able to go in and finish that app. Completion of that one. So they're going to go into their audit checks. They're going to go up into check forms and they're going to say which ones have been completed but are below 100%. So you can see the TZ3 is right here. If I click on the TZ3 to see the status, and I can see that I have 1 bad and I have 1 corrected. So this is how we explain to the auditor that I received a bad audit and I was able to correct it. This is what you would see. And if I received a bad one and never corrected it, then this is what it would look. I would then hit on the pen that says edit. I would click on here and say spoke to team member. Obviously we would do more than that. I just want to show you that you have to fill out the corrective action. Then you would come down here, hit correct it. And then you would come up here and do save. And then when I go into the audit dashboard and I ask for 100%, you can see that one has left this menu here. So then we have LPAs completed. And then Richard had done this one here. This is the Acura here. So if an auditor came in and asked, we'd be able to show that on that day we had 2 good ones and 2 that we found an issue with and we had since corrected them. So this is how this app here works. Very efficient, and it's very similar to all of the LPA audits that we ask, 5S, etc. So that's the conclusion on how LPAs work.